So what are you going to sing for us this time?
I'm singing The Voice Within
By Christina Aguilera. Jinx. Jokes. Sorry. You owe me a Coke. Anyway. Okay.
Can't promise.
Oh. All right, Laura Hatcher, everybody.
Young girl goes by. I'll be right here when your world starts to fall. Young girl goes. Your tears will dry. You'll soon be free to fly.
Hatcher, everyone. Contestant number 9. Great job. Let's hear what our judges have to say.
Hey, Laura. Christina Aguilera, she's a really hard one to pull off. She's kind of like the Mariah Carey, Whitney Houston type of thing, where you really have to have that high range to really sit in her songs properly. It's a little bit high for you. I think maybe for future selections, maybe just get something that allows you to show some dimension to a little bit lower of your range. I think that you're sitting a little high there. I mean, sometimes you can pull off, but it's a real challenge. And it becomes a little pitchy for us. So maybe that's something to work on. It's probably a lot to do with the song choice, so maybe find something a little bit more in your comfort range. But I can tell that you really enjoy singing and that it comes through you.
Thanks, Lana. Catherine?
Yeah, I would just say watch your song choices and try and stay within your range. That was a really big song, and I did find it pitchy at times too. So great eye contact with the audience, though. Don't give up. Keep practicing, and just watch your song choice.
Yeah.
Okay? Thanks.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Laura. And thank you to our judges, Laura Hatcher. She is contestant number 9. Up next, we've got...